Good morning everyone, and once again thank you for watching into my YouTube channel. So today's segment is none other than the unboxing of Pokemon, the latest Stellar Crown. Alright, so another day, another unboxing. Alright, okay, so without further ado, we will open this one booster box of Stellar Crown. Well, actually, I am not a collector of these Pokemon now, guys. I am not a collector of this Pokemon. I am just trying. It's a Silva, guys. It's an English version of this Pokemon. Okay, guys. Here we go. My goodness. Let's go. Come on. There you go. Alright. Something like that is correct. I don't know. I just try. Alright. We will do this, what is it called, this one, a random, or just in the park, will do. Okay, Stellar Crown. Okay, I don't know who is the chasing here, but this is my first time to, of course not everyone is the first time, because this is the latest one. It's very hard to open it, actually, and it's a lot of cards inside. It's not easy to open, guys, really. So this is an English version, I think. Correct? Yeah, correct. We zoom in again. Okay, I don't know the characters here, guys, so please bear with me. Okay, the foiling. Ooh, SR? I don't know, SR or something? Oh, nothing. There is a... Well, okay. Nothing. Where is the... not easy, eh? I can accidentally cut the thing. GG. Okay, guys, this one is a little bit quite because this one is too many, so we'll do the fast pace, guys. In English version, well, actually, okay, it's the same, nothing much, maybe, I don't know. Put on top, so those, what we, okay, just pop like that. Alright. But very hard. This one is too many. Okay, energy. Oh, lives, something like that. Vegetable energy. Okay, who is this? Is Lucy. Okay, but it's not the hollow. We are looking for the hollow things, guys. Okay. Ah, look, Lapras. Okay, the one chasing here is Lapras. Ooh, okay, our first. And the rarity, guys, oh my god, it's very hard for me. Okay, maybe. For me, it's something like that. It's a, I think it's a hit or what. Alright. Who is that? God, very hard to open, guys. Really, really very hard to open. I think because English version is quite thick. Not thick, I think too many cards inside, that's why. Oh, fire energy. Who is this? Okay, Lapras. We are looking for Lapras. SIRN. Full art. I have no idea. What will we? Guys, you just guide me, if I literally don't know this Pokemon, so that's why I very seldom do unboxing this Pokemon, because I don't know their rarity, I don't know their characters, yeah, and yeah, like that. That's why, unlike those who collecting Pokemon before, because they are more towards to this the characters of the trainer. For me, nothing, huh? I don't know, guys. A little bit heavier. I don't know what kind of... Oh, basic energy. Put all this basic energy. Okay. Oh, nice. EX. Okay, it's a EX. I don't know. This one is good hits. The Apollos EX. Okay. I don't know if need to. It need to. I'm not very sure if need to top load this one, but for me it's like okay, maybe a big hit, big hit, but it looks for me it looks like big hit. Yeah, for me, guys, for me. It's only for me. Hold on, like Master Ball, no? But it's not a Master Ball. Okay, I don't know. Just separate those wala, huh? Sorry guys, it's a little bit draggy to this video, but let's see if I can able to shorten after I edit, because it's literally long unboxing session this one, okay, of course. That's why. Who's this? Not ball? I don't know. The dragon. The dragon. Down here. Wait, so this is easy. you guys to see. Okay, look, very hard to open. Oh, I see something, but let's see. I don't know. It looks like very good, but of course, I learned something in this Pokemon. The basic, some those this kind of foiling is very nice, but actually the market price is not that nice in a sense. Alright, so I think for the English version, per pack is 10 cards there. So that's why it's quite big. I don't know. Except this, I never count this. But when I count this one, it's all 10s, yeah. It's quite a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then from 8 to 10 is foiling. Then the last also is the your hits or something. I don't know this one should sleeve or not. Well, actually I just put one side first. Okay, I think we will finish the one side. More easy. The owl. I think owl also is the hits in here, I believe, because the ETB, the promo card is the owl one. That's what I saw in some YouTubers who opened the Uy! Nice! Full arts! Dang! Is it double hit? Zeraura. Ooh! It's I think they call it is the full arts is SIR or SAR. If English is SAR, right? Correct? Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. If English is SAR, but in Japanese is SIR. Am I correct, guys? Come on, talk to me. Just kidding. This one is a video only, so of course I'm talking myself. Nice. I don't know how great is this, but it's a full arch. I think it's a full arch lah, but for me, how come this one is a full arch but got the borderline or something? Maybe. Guys, we put behind. Okay, that is the good hits today. Are we able to pull the chase card in here? Are we? What you think, guys? What you gonna think? What you think, guys? Am I able to pull the crazy cards to? Ooh, before it's non-color. Okay, Lapras. Okay, so this is the foiling. Lethia. Okay, and ooh, nice. The rainbow color. And oh, who's this? Lapras. Hey, Lapras. Nice. Okay. That is a good start from our back-to-back pool. Must be careful because it's very. The card is a very, very hard to put in. Later na ident the card and shut up. Never put. Never mind. Just put inside the in here first. Hey, come on then. Alright. Must put properly later na. Okay, Lapras, not bad. Rainbow thingy, I don't know. Maybe after I edit this video, I will put the if I can able to find the price of this crown, stellar crown, Lapras thingy. The I don't know how they call it, this rarity, but I call it rainbow lah, huh? Because it's colorful. I think for the rainbow thing, not that very expensive, but it still got a price on it. Still got a price in the market actually. So let's proceed and move on. Okay. Ooh, what is this? Okay. Oh, nice. Another SAR. Oh no, I thought it's SAR. It's EX. EX, I think I'm not really sure, but we do the. Okay. We got 2 AX here. This one is EX also. Okay. Who is this? Bulbasaur? Oh, Venusaur. Okay. Venusaur. Not bad. We managed to pull the good card. Am I able to get the chase card in here, or the in a sense it's a case hit, something like that, or box hit? I'm not really sure. I'll call it for this one. Huh. The ship, Wooloo. The name, so cute. Wooloo. Okay, this is foiling already. Okay, and nothing. I don't know if this one is got the thing, but we put in one side. Just set aside. A long way. Still long way to finish this booster box. Well, actually, box breaking is quite fun because the excitement and the oh, Lechonk. Oh, this one is Lechonk. Okay. Hopefully we can get the trainer. One of the chase in here is a trainer also, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm not really sure whose trainer they are looking for. Not really. Because I am new to this. Not very new because I never watched this Pokemon before, but all I know, only the character in here is a Pikachu, because one of my favorite is Pikachu. So cute, you know, cute. That's why. Alright, let's proceed. Okay, who's this? Alright. Oh, nice! I don't know, it's EX? How come the EX is very cute? Very cute. Okay, we put this one. I don't know. It's very cute. And I like the color. Who is this, huh? But it's an EX, but we put in here now. So since it's an EX. Oh, it's a dog! It's a dog, guys. It's a doggy dog. Hey, very hard to open it. No mind. I will shorten this video as I will try my best to shorten this video, but we will see lah, huh, guys. Okay. It's quite fun. It's a Grappling. Okay. Vitavox. And oh, nice. Nothing. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I don't know the name. It's fun to ripping the card collections. Is very fun to rip these cards, especially if you don't know the cards that you will getting. Oh, now is we get the holo of this Lechonk. Okay, and nothing. Okay, last for the right pile of these packs. So far, the right side, okay, is literally not bad. We're able to pull the one top loader there. I don't know if that is correct. Only one top loader. But oh, nice, this one. Okay, this one I don't know what they call it, but you can summon this one time only, according to those people who I asked before. Not bad. This one they put top loader, if I'm not mistaken. Wait, the card is freaking nice, eh? Sparkling crystal. My goodness. Okay, we open this. We open my new top loader. Okay. Alright, there you go. Where are you? We top load this. Alright. Alright, let's proceed to the left pile of this booster box. Oh, this one is nice. Are we able to get the crazy, a very high cheese cards in here? Are we able to get the good trainer? The trainer also, I'm not very well known. I just follow the trend. Okay. Alright, something. Be careful on using your scissors. Later you cut the card. Congratulations, and if that is a big hit, then I don't know what to say. Okay, yeah, this one is cute, eh? Eevee. I don't know if you can pull Charizard in here. There's oh, this one is SAR, I guess. Maybe. It's a SAR, okay. Well, who is this character? Like a bunny. A rabbit. It's a rabbit. It's a rabbit. Later, those collector of the this Pokemon angry to me. Anyhow, give the name rabbit. Wala. What the hell? Guys, I'm sorry. I'm just opening my booster box, but literally I'm not collecting this Pokemon. I just want to, rip it and open it. I'll put one side there first, guys, as you can see, because not enough space. So Well, it's okay. Hard to open means to say can, you know, your card will be not easily to get damaged or something like that. For the packaging wise, okay. Alright, this one is not foiling. I thought it's a foiling. Okay, foiling. Do we get any bangers in here? Guys, what do you think? EX. Okay, this one EX. Okay, next. If this one is easy to open, then it won't be too draggy. But no choice, guys. I need to do this. Come on, give me some very juicers. Okay, Fan Rotom. Okay, Occa Berry, and Raging Bolt. Okay, Raging Bolt. Yeah, just read the name, then we'll do that, because I literally don't know them. Okay, Water Energy. So if Water Energy, there is a this one. I think Lapras or something, because Water Energy ma. Alright, but unfortunately we have Lapras. Come on, Lapras. I think the chase here is this one, the turtle, Lapras. And I know we still have the chasing in here is 3 characters, right? If I'm not wrong. Lapras and the mini dragon there I saw behind. This one, I don't know who. Well, let's see first. Alright. Oh, I don't know what energy is this here. Okay. Jirachi. And Lydian. Okay, it's a little bit tall. After that, we haven't get another juicer. Come on, give me some excitement. Okay, Leaf Energy. Leaf Energy is this one, like Lapras. Come on, give me some juicers. Okay, nothing. I am very hard to open. What about you guys? Which one you are chasing in here? Okay, I don't know what kind of energy is this. I call it purple energy. It's my own reference, guys. It's my own reference. Okay, so don't be angry with me. Alright, okay. Oh my god. Only this? Are we gonna stop the hits? Okay, fighting energy. Wow, Panda. Panchan. Okay, Puragi. Tribuna. Occa Berry. Okay, Glass Trumpet. Applin. Agbilin. I don't know. And oh, nice. This one is Lapras. Yes, we got the Lapras. We got 2 Lapras already. One is the oh my goodness, EX, but it's a full arts EX. I don't know, guys. Please, please. Is this the high hits already? Is this the chase? One of the chase? Oh, Lapras is like the dinosaur lah, in a sense. Lapras is a dinosaur. Okay, hold on. It's nice, huh? The card is very nice. Oh! My sleeve are very The card is very nice. The foiling, nice, huh? Lapras. I think this is the hit. Or one of the player or collectors chasing, maybe. It's a collector's chase. To careful and sleep it because if you damage the card, GG. Alright, but unable to pull until the end. Maybe we'll use the top load. Yeah, use the top load better. Because if you push, later it up. Hey, nice! We have 2 Lapras. Very, very nice. Alright. He won't disappoint me. My goodness. Is there any chase or hits that for those people out there who designing this Pokemon, is there any another chase of the cards? I'm not pretty sure. Yeah. Okay. Oh, nice. EX. I think this one, something like, oh, very cool, yeah. It's very, very cool, Alright. Later, we'll see. Okay, another EX. Oh, Greninja! It's a Greninja. Yeah, Greninja is one of the chase. Okay, hold on now. I remember because I watched the TikTok live selling one. They are saying the Greninja is. They're always saying Greninja or something. So Greninja also is one of the chasing here, and the owl, I guess, maybe. Yeah. All right, let's proceed and moving forward. Okay. Oh, hello, Panda. Pancham. I don't know. Okay. All right. Greninja, nice. We got the Greninja EX. Yeah. So are we able to get the another big hits in this series? Lapras, Greninja. What? Okay. Ooh. A normal heat. Oh, this one is easy to open. Nice. Okay, water energy. Okay, it's a water energy. Come on. Oh, Wooloo. I remember his name. Wooloo. Okay, starts from this boiling. Oh, so cute this one. Oh, it's EX? No, Oh, no, it's not. The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. It reminds me something. This Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. My cousin is a mutant. He's a Ninja Turtles. Kidding. Love you, cuz. I won't sabo you lah, ha? Okay. But I think he liked this Pokemon also as well, my cousin, because he played the game also, and he know those characters, something like that. I don't know if this one need to keep or you know need to sleep or something. Okay, 4 packs to go, guys. 4 packs to go. And Lapras, huh? Okay, Greninja, Greninja. I think Greninja is the most chase here. I think so. Okay, Mystic. Lapras. Okay. What's this? Okay, a normal. Last 3 packs to go, guys. Last 3 packs to go. Okay. Oh wait, hold on, guys. It's, I think need to put that. All right, there you go. Oh, it's a normal. Okay, normal hits. Okay. Okay, last 2 packs. Come on, guys. Come on, give me some juicers for the last time. Give me some big hits. Give me some big hits, please. There you go. Okay, take out this thing first. Oh, Zapdos energy is electric energy. Oh, this one is a hit, I guess. It's a hit. Okay. Okay, Wooloo Hollow. And yeah, I knew it. It's a hit. This one is a trainer, but I'm not pretty sure if this is a good trainer or what. But I believe all the trainers are good. That's why their Pokemon is well known. Of course, the trainer also must be well known or something like that. But I'm not that sure if this trainer is very strong or something. Not pretty sure about it. So please help me by comment down below. Who is this? Is this a very good trainer or one of the good trainer or something like that, or one of the chase trainer? I'm not really sure, guys. Okay, last pack magic. Come on, give me some juicers. Come on. Give me some juicers. Oh, fighting energy. Hey, double hit. I think so. That's not too sure. It's okay. It's a hit, but I'm not really sure what kind of hits. But for those who see double hit, I knew it. Nice, it's a double hit. Grand 3. Uy! Single hit only lah. But I saw this color, I know it's a hit. The pinkish. Alright. So far, Lapras is our big hits, Lapras is our big hits, guys. So this type of card you can summon one time, and you can put in your deck one time, I guess. So must choose the correct summoning one. You know, before you going to use these things or what. Alright, not bad. Actually, really not bad. Okay. Alright guys, we will do the recap, but before that, we put all those this one, although it's not bad hits, actually, it's superb hits. It's very superb hits. Okay. Oh, no doubt we are looking for this one, Greninja. Greninja also is one of the chaser. Eh? The looks is really okay. We put last this one, the Greninja, and then the Doggy. Okay, by categories. Alright. Okay, we will do the a recap for this Stellar Crown. So we managed to pull those EX, Metal. Wow, I don't know who is this character, but Venusaur. Okay. The Doggy one. And Greninja. Nice, this one, Greninja EX. Okay, next. For those top load hits. Alright, the Grand Tree. Sparkling Crystal. Okay. Crispin. The our trainer full. Okay, it's a full art. I'm not really sure. SAR, I guess. Maybe one of the SAR. Another SAR. Alright, nice. And Lapras EX. And another Lapras. This one is the Rainbow. Nice. Alright guys, so please comment down below, and if you're enjoying unboxing this Pokemon, Pokemon also is very painful. The price of the Pokemon is not that cheap actually, especially for the one booster box. Yeah, it's insanely burn your pocket. So for those for those YouTuber that is having a big channel already, because they have some sponsors, and but for me it's as a single stand alone doing the YouTube thing, and I just enjoying for the ripping and unboxing those kind thingy. Yeah, because I like to see what we can put, those kind of a feeling. Yeah, and of course if I got the good hits also, sometimes I sell it, except for the One Piece or Naruto, because I'm collecting the One Piece and Naruto. Yeah, but sometimes I sell the One Piece also. But yeah, so far that is the one that I am doing. But I am collecting Naruto and the One Piece. As you can see in here guys, I have those binder. Yeah, next I will show my binder and collections of my One Piece. Maybe I will do that, so at least you guys can see it's segregated binder of the One Piece, something like that. Two characters in one binder, like Nami and Boa, Luffy. I got two binder of Luffy. One is the normal Luffy and Gear 4, and the other one binder is Gear 5 Luffy. So Gear 5 Luffy is very hard to get, especially for the CCG. So I'm collecting the TCG and CCG, so I mix it. Okay, CCG is for collectors, collections, or because it's a collectible card game in a sense. TCG is with the price in the market, which is like trading cards. So trading card is, of course, basically is more price than the CCG. But in a sense of the arts also as well, if you like the arts, of course, you will like it and you will collect it also as well. Yeah, something like that. So there is a foiling wise, you know. You will able to see on the video that I'm going to upload for the CCG. One of, if you watch my previous video also, there is a CCG that I have posted in Naruto and the One Piece. You go ahead and see the video, the previous video, which is some Mason. The card name is Mason, but it's more to collections of One Piece, and you will like it because it's a very unique card, very good foiling, and very good design also as well. So go ahead and check into my channel there if you are interested or curious enough how it looks like and how the cards looks like. Go on and click on my previous video. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching into my channel, and hopefully we expand more. Okay, so see you next time for the next unboxing sessions for another day and another unboxing. Okay, so thank you guys and have a good day. Goodbye.